Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable remote play on Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface of the Steam PC application. And right now, let's simply look at how to enable the remote play. At the top left, you can see a button like this called as Steam. Click on it right now. Well, once you do, as you can see, there are multiple options. But right now, all we're gonna focus on is this button called as Settings. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. This is the settings page. From here, as you can see, there's account, friends and chats and everything. But right now, all we're gonna focus on is this button called as Remote Play. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. As you can see, I have already enabled the Remote Play. All you guys have to do is install the Steam application and pair Steam link. And as such, you can do remote play on your Steam account. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.